The best time to post on other social media platforms and get views fast. You are posting on the wrong time. If your videos are getting low views, it is not your fault. It is the timing. You are posting your videos on the wrong time. Post at the wrong time, your videos will go dead. But if you post at the right time, your videos will go viral. Take it from me, I'm speaking from experience. In the next few minutes, I will show you the best time to post to go viral and a simple system some creators are using to make their videos go viral here on YouTube. Plus a simple system more creators ignore. Stay till the end. I will show you a simple trick that will double and skyrocket your video overnight. Most creators think posting consistently on social media or on YouTube here, it will make your videos go viral. But that information is incomplete, because when you put in junk, the system will ignore you. The system prefers you to put, even if it's one video, make it quality, because timing is equal to initial traction, and initial traction is equal to algorithm boost. If you post when your audience are offline, your videos die even before it has a chance to go viral. And I'm very sure that you have experienced this. You spend time recording your video, spend time editing the video, and then you upload the video. Then what happened? Then this happened. No comment, 10 views, no share, no even likes. Meanwhile, someone else post average video and the video blows up. You will start thinking, what am I doing wrong? That is very frustrating. I'm talking from experience. It could be very frustrating. And the worst part, you start doubting your content. Meanwhile, unknowingly to you, the issue is what? Timing. So, let's fix it. Posting time baseline for YouTube. Weekdays, that is from Monday to Friday, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Take note. TikTok, Mondays to Friday, morning, in the morning. These are the best time to post on TikTok. Morning, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. In the night, this is in the evening, 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. In the night, in the evening, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. That is TikTok. Instagram, na big men dey that place. Then they wake up very late. 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. in the morning. In the evening, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. This is why timing matters a lot in posting. These platforms push their content when people are very active and engaging in their platforms. More early clicks, more reach. That is how videos go viral on all the platforms. There is no secret about it. Just know the inner secret, and that is what I'm sharing now. This is the simple growth framework you should follow from now on. If you want to see good results from what I'm teaching you today, you have to make the analytics of your platform your friend. If not, you will not get results. Go to your analytics in any of your platform. Check on the audience tab and know when your audience and your followers or your subscribers are online and active. Post 1 hour before the peak time. Test and adjust until you get it right. For those of us who are in Nigeria, here is the time zone strategy that you should follow. Target where your audience lives. That's why I always tell people that analytics should be your friend. If you check your analytics all the time, you should know where your viewers are coming from, which region, which country. That will lead you the best time and the best content to post on your platform. So here is some hack I want to give you. Post right before the peak time. Don't post because I give you 6 a.m. to 7 days or this. It is that 6 a.m. you want to post. No, you get it right. Post at least 5:30, 30 minutes or 45 minutes before that. Hack 2, reply to your comments. Some of you YouTubers feel too big to reply comments. You don't know that replying comments also help in boosting your videos, your content. Hack 3, schedule your videos. YouTube have a section of uploading process where you can schedule your video. That's what I use personally. I have never upload my video and post it directly instantly. Never. I've never done that. Schedule your videos. You can, that alone can help you to schedule your videos. For if you have a backlog of videos that you have created, a content that you have created like 3 or 4 or 5 or 10 or 20 content, you can schedule them on YouTube for the whole month or the whole week. Go and sleep, but once that time reach, YouTube will post those videos whether you have data on. In fact, even though your phone is off, that video, that content will go live. Learn to schedule your videos. It also help. If you want to see more of this type of content to help you to grow your channel, subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share. Engage in content so that other YouTubers can also engage in your content. Comment your niche below. I will help you find your best time to post. Watch the next video. This video show you how to use ChatGPT to create your thumbnail and to write your script that will go viral.